BCCI boss in exile N. Srinivasan is in a rather tricky position now with the Supreme Court questioning his conflict of interest. The apex court has come down hard on Srinivasan's BCCI comeback bid and almost derailed his process. Can N. Srinivasan and the BCCI really be trusted to clean up cricket? How will Indian cricket bosses actually reply to the harsh criticism from the Supreme Court? The hearing in the IPL fixing case continues today.
Pushed to a corner by the Supreme Court's knockout punch, BCCI boss in exile's comeback plans have been put on hold. And all those named by the Mudgal report silenced by the apex court's criticism.
What I'm asking, I will never. It is sub judice. I'm trying to tell you, please. I've come at a private.
Will you contesting the BCCI? Mr. Kundra, you have given up your stake to the Supreme Court. Is it because you realize that you are stuck badly now?
Not at all. I think I've done a good thing. Justice.
Anything that you want to say, because your defense is out in the court.
The matter is in court. The matter is being heard. It's sub judice.
But it was N. Srinivasan who faced the most of the Supreme Court's ire. The CSK team owner's conflict of interest issue was raised and some scathing observations were made.
The BCCI jumped the gun by trying to give a clean sheet to everybody without even going into the details of the report. The details of the report, the ink hadn't even dried, and the people met in Chennai to endorse fully Srinivasan and Sundaraman.
N. Srinivasan's conflict of interest has been raised on numerous occasions in the past. Right from being a BCCI secretary to being an IPL team owner, rules were bent to make the India Cements MD buy a team.
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पे कोर्ट एक तरह से सेटिस्फाइड है कि एक आदमी जो भी हो, अगर वो किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन का प्रेसिडेंट हो, तो क्या उसका टीम अगर भाग ले रहा है उस इंस्टीट्यूशन के द्वारा कराए गए आईपीएल टूर्नामेंट में, तो ये कहां तक जायज है.
Despite the rap, Indian cricket's custodians are eager to hide names of players mentioned in the Mudgal probe report. Instead of exposing the guilty, is the BCCI making an effort to shield the corrupt?
ये पूरे मुकदमे का निष्पादन ही इंडिविजुअल 2 और 3 के कैरेक्टर पर है. जिस दिन भी इंडिविजुअल 2 और 3 का नाम पब्लिक डोमेन में आपके सामने आ जाएगा, तब आपको खुद पता चल जाएगा कि सारे चीज को जानते हुए श्रीनिवासन जी क्यों अभी तक चुप बैठे हुए.
With cricket fans feeling cheated and administrators busy saving their own, it's up to the apex court to clean the rot in the sport once and for all. Sports Bureau, Times Now.